Hi, this is Brian with MarineMax Miami. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough of the 42 Cruisers Yachts GLS. This 42 is powered by twin 600 outboards. White 600 outboards, has the side platforms on both sides that drop down and the massive sun lounger on the back of the boat. As we take a step inside, you'll see this wraparound seating here with a massive cockpit table, great for entertaining 8 to 10 people. Huge wet bar with AC. This is a coupe with side vents that can be closed or opened for more airflow, with a sunroof as well. Moving forward to the helm, this is a joystick powered boat, twin Simrad screens. Taking a step down, this is a large cabin for a 42-foot V-berth, master behind you, and a stand-up head. As we walk this way, we'll come up to the bow. You'll notice this massive sunbathing area with the plug-in for a bow table or a conversion to a sun pad, a full day bed. This also has an option for a bow shade on it. This is our white and gray standard package for coloring of the interior with a white exterior hull. Well, I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough today. If you have any questions, you could always reach us here at MarineMax Miami.